This is the JetBeam RRT-3 Tactical Flashlight featuring the SST50 LED. This light offers a maximum output of 1200 lumens and an effective range of 700 yards. Included in the box are the warranty card, owner's manual giving detailed instructions on the operation of the light, and a spare switch cap and a few separate O-rings in here. The light itself feels very solid and fits quite well in your hand. Body is constructed with CNC machined T6 aircraft aluminum. The lens is made of a toughened mineral glass with an anti-reflective coating. This is the rapid response control ring here. It allows you to change the operating mode of the light quite easily. It uses magnetic switching technology that's more rugged than traditional switches. There's no moving parts in here to break. The light is also waterproof to IPX8 standards. The switch, you have a forward clicky switch that allows for momentary use as well as constant on use. There's also a connector here that allows use of a tactical pressure switch. It gives you just a few more uses for this light. You can mount it to a firearm. Let's go ahead and take a look inside here. The light comes with a battery magazine here. It allows you to use 6 CR123s or 3 18650 lithium ions. We're going to go ahead and load this up with some 18650s. Thing to keep in mind here is you want to line up the negative terminal on your battery with the springs. Now that we have all those in there and they're solid, you put this cartridge back in here. It doesn't matter which way, either way will work. Let's go ahead here, get it screwed back together. Let's go ahead and turn this light on here. This is the low mode with the ring all the way counterclockwise. This is 1 lumen, gives you approximately 250 hours of use. Turn it up one switch, 150 lumens, 620 minutes. One more, 300 lumens, 350 minutes. 470 lumens, 230 minutes. 550 lumens, 180 minutes. Then 850 lumens, you get 120 minutes. Then all the way on the max output, which is 1200 lumens, it'll run for 80 minutes. And of course you go one more and you have the variable strobe here. Go ahead and turn this back down. Power circuit in here is regulated, so it gives you constant output even as the batteries discharge. Then the optional accessories on this, it does a carry handle, a firearm mount, and of course the tactical pressure switch for remote operation. We'll go ahead and get this outside and get you some beam shots coming up here. Thanks again for watching, and y'all have a great day.